All right, morning. It's been a great start to the morning. Had myself a dream float right here, and I'm just going to kind of show you how I kind of move between two different, client side applications from something that I just accomplished on one side, and now I need to like get those features handled on another side. So what am I saying? Right now, I'm building out like a tool, like a tools and admin dashboard for a coach. And then she's also going to need to have whatever she builds seen by her clients on the mobile app side. So I just finished up the Next.js side, the admin side, the web app side. And so did a ton there, right? A lot of database schema changes, new features, pretty big overhaul, and kind of worked through that yesterday. And so just to give you an example, this was the tab that I worked on yesterday, the nutritions tab. And so basically in here, she can create like different macro targets for that user to use throughout the day. By the way, this UI is not finished. Typically, I finish that up once the client decides, okay, from a feature standpoint, this is what I'm looking for. This is sufficient. Then we'll actually go ahead and make things look pretty. And then she's got all her own custom recipes and stuff. So she can come in here, choose the day, and then she can filter based on her filters, assign it to different days. And so there's a lot going on here that on the admin side you don't see, but has been completed in the database to be handled on the mobile app side. So what I don't want to do is go through the process of working through the context of that feature that we set of features. And so what I'll do, you'll pretty much use a prompt like this. Go ahead and move my head. So I'll basically just say like, hey, I'm going to be taking this and I need to describe to a mobile developer what we just handled. You just built this on the admin side, but now I need the mobile developer to build this on the for the clients. And so obviously the mobile developer is going to be Gemini 2.5 and Cursor, right? And so again, I'm always database oriented. So I tell it, hey, here's what the overhaul looks like. And then that's going to build the context that I need. I'm going to review the context. By the way, I'm cooking this live, so I don't know what I'm going to get back. And I'll probably skip forward. Once it comes up with whatever it has, I'm going to throw it into the mobile app side. And then I'm going to tell it like, hey, let's build a phase in plan to like work through these features one by one. And we'll see what we get. I use Gemini 2.5 Pro. I think I just haven't seen anything like it. Like any other models work anywhere close to it, because what it does is it always lays out these plans. And so whenever you have something kind of large, it'll say, okay, here's phase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you just kind of have this back and forth of, yeah, that's not going to work for me. No, that's great. Perfect. And so this is the way that I go between, kind of different code bases. And so far it's been working unbelievable for me. So let's see what we get. So it's going to throw out this, basically what we've accomplished, and it might get something wrong, right? And that's where you have to come in and be like, no. You can already tell though, it's talking a lot about the tables. Love that. Giving the LLM some like structured approaches to like, hey, here's what your tables look like now on the mobile app side, and here's how you can like query and all that. It's gonna be super helpful. Talking about row level security, probably gonna have to like dive into that. And so then I'll take this and I'm not going to do it right now on the spot, but basically, well, that was weird. So let's say like below is a was built on the admin side of this application for a set of features for the nutrition side of things for the client. We are now handling the logging of food for the client. Here is what happened for the admin side. And then I'll also come in here. I'm going to grab this database or my schema, excuse me. Can use at public to reference how the new tables work. Please create a plan to phase in this new set of features for the client. And to be clear, the only reason this works is because like went back and forth, on the admin side of like, hey, here's what this set of features is and what it looks like. Spent a lot of time really just talking about making sure I understood what we're doing. Because there's just like a lot of little nuances. And so I know all of that stuff and I'm going to run this. We'll see what we get. Ultimately, when I do this, I spend a lot of time making sure it knows what I'm saying and I don't just blast through, okay, that looks good, send it. And I don't do that. And so hopefully what we get back here is a plan with this new set of features. I'm going to go through it and then I'm basically just going to approve or disapprove, change. And this has been so far really effective for me. I hope this is something you can use. Let me know how you do it. I'll be curious, but that's all I got for this Thursday.